Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the new chapter Issue of Debentures Unit 3 Treatment of Company Accounts. Now today I will tell you the meaning of debentures, types of debentures and the differences between the shares and debentures. Now come to the meaning. The meaning of debentures according to the sections 2 subsection 30 of a Company Act 2013. Debentures includes debenture stock, bonds, and other securities of the company, whether constituting a charge on the asset of the company or not. So here you may see the debentures include stock and bonds and other security having charge or may not have the charge. Second is now the types of debentures. Now we have the so many categorizations of the types of debentures. Now on the basis of security, this is the first point. Now as a point of security, they are divided into two parts. One is the secured debenture and second is unsecured debentures. Secured debentures are those where a charge of security is considered as asset. On the asset word is referring to fixed assets for the purpose of any payment if company fails to pay. So here the word is referring if secured debentures means the debentures are secured under the charge of asset. Unsecured debentures, they don't have any charge on the asset. So these are the two categorizations on the basis of the security. Now second is on the basis of tenure. Tenure word is referring to the period. So that means the debentures can be categorized into the redeemables and irredeemables. Redeemables debentures are those who are payable within the during the life period of the company, or you may say after a specific period, maybe lump sum amount is paid or the payment in installments, maybe at par, maybe at premiums. But the question is redeemables means after a specific period, the payment is paid to debenture holders. That's why it is called as redeemables debentures. Irredeemable debentures are those debentures where the payment is to be done at the time of winding up of the company, when the company is end. Third point is reference to on the basis of convertibility. That means the convertible debentures and non-convertible debentures are categorized under this category. Convertible debentures refers to convert the present and existing debentures into the new security, may be shares, equity shares, may be the new debentures. So convert into any other securities. But the non-convertible debentures which cannot be converted into the shares and cannot be converted into the any others security may be debentures. So this is generally the non-convertible debentures company prefers to issue. The types of next is on the basis of coupon rate. We can categorize into the two parts. One is the specific coupon rate means with coupon rate and the zero coupon rate means without coupon rate. When the specific coupon rate is mentioned here, it means the rate of interest is mentioned along with the issue of debentures. It will be applied on the issue of debentures. It means the rate is mentioned. Zero coupon were referring to when the rate of interest is not specified. It means it is issued at discount and difference between the face value and the issued price is to be treated as an interest for the debenture holders. Now come to the next. On the basis of the registration, the debentures can be categorized into the two forms, registered debentures and the bearer debentures. Registered debentures are those debentures whose details are listed with the name, addresses and others details are to be listed in the register of the company and interest will be given to the registered person only. But the bearer debentures are referring by transferring of the delivery. That means they are not registered in the company only by transferring. That means the person, those who are holding the debentures can get the interest. Now you may move towards the difference between the shares and debentures. On the basis of ownership, debentures called as the owners of the company. So that's why it is to be the considered share is as a part of authorized capital and a part of capitals. Debentures, debentures considered as loan, or you may say the creditors, and they are considered as a part of borrowed capitals, borrow from others. Returns, the returns of the dividend, returns on the shares called as dividends, but the returns on the debentures called as interest. Next is the fluctuating rates and the fixed rate. The rate of shares are fluctuating according to the fluctuations of profit earning power of the company, but the rate of interest over the debentures are fixed. Appropriation and charge. The payment of the dividend is an appropriation. It means if sufficient profits are there, only then can pay. But debentures are charged on the profit. It can be given if the company suffer loss. Means the company having profit, it will reduce the profit. If suffer loss, it means increase the loss. Then repayment, the amount of share is returned. That means if preference shares are there, that means the returns after a specific period or maybe at the time of winding up. But the debentures are returns after a specific period. Voting rights. Shareholders generally enjoys the voting right. They have the right to vote, but the debentures don't have the right to vote for the elections of the management. Thank you.